Um, First, we are going to start with Om and sit comfortably. You can sit whichever you like it, however you like it. 3 fingers, Apana Mudra, like a bunny ears. Place them on the top of the knees. Sit upright. Keep your back straight. Close your eyes. Open your chest. Breathe in, breathe out. Deep breath, all the in and out. We will say 3 times Om. You can say with me. Breathe in and then start. Prayer position, bow your head. First, we are going to do meditation. You can sit in the pillow, on the pillow, and you can cover a shawl. If you have it, you can bring it and then have it. Meditation is comfortable if you sit on the pillow and then cover yourself. And then put your hands one by one inside. There are so many different kind of meditations. All these are, whichever you like it, you can try and keep practicing. Right now, today I'm going to do is very simple one, meditation. It's only 10 minutes like that. Okay. Sit upright, keep your back straight, close your eyes, open your chest, take a deep breath, relax, breathe in, breathe out. Now think about a word, any word. Today we are going to think about health. Health is a wealth. So no matter what you have, health is important. So concentration on your health. And then concentrate your breathing. And then we will do chanting 11 times Om. So this is different kind of meditation. So start 11 times chanting Om. After you finish 11 times, rub your hands and put them on your face. Cover your eyes. You feel the energy refresh. Take a deep breath, relax. Feel it, what you did, how body feels. Now we are going to do some warm-ups. Sit upright, keep your back straight. Hold both knees, bend forward from right knee to left knee. Slowly make circles. Bring upper body up. Take a deep breath. Breathe in, breathe out. All the in and out. 5 times clockwise. Keep your seat on the mat. Bring upper body up. Now reverse from left to right. Bring upper body up. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly come to the center. First, we are going to do some breathing exercises. Pranayam. Pranayam is, there are so many different kind of breathing exercises. We are going to do 3 times today. First one is pranayam. Pranayam is, one kind is one nose closed, one nose open, breathe in, the other one breathe out. While you are doing that, count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then pause 1, 2, and then breathe out longer time 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pause 1, 2. Slowly you can do practice every day. So do like that. Today 5 times, tomorrow 6 times, like that. Practice every day, little by little more. I'm going to show you slowly and then follow me, please. Right one close. Hold it and then breathe out. Left one close. Again, repeat. Right one close, breathe in. Hold it. Left one close, right one open, and then breathe out. That is 1. So we are going to do 5 more times, slowly and steady. Keep your back straight, open your chest out. After 5 times, take a break. Now left one close, right one open, breathe in, breathe out 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, pause, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pause, 1, 2. Take a deep breath, relax, take a break. All these pranayam, all the breathing exercises, all these, like you will see the difference each day. but consistency is more important. Do it every day. No? So practice, practice, practice. Make practice permanent. Practice makes perfect. So we are going to do one more different breathing exercises. That one is Kapalabhati. Kapalabhati is, you can feel the stomach. You put your hand on your back, on your belly, and then feel it. Stomach in and out. Only stomach in and out. The whole body stays still. Breathe with nose, close your mouth, and then only 1 minute, 30 times. You feel it. Take a break. Only breathe out. You feel it. One more time, Kapalabhati. 1 minute. Take a break. The third one is Brahmaram. It's like vibrations. Tip of the tongue, touch top of your mouth inside. Close your eyes, close your mouth, close your ears. And then make sound vibrations. This is very good. Take a break. One more time. Brahmaram. Vibrations. Close your mouth, close your ears, close your eyes. Vibrations. Take a break. All these are, you have to feel it. You have to do it every day. And then you will know the difference, the benefits, and everything. Boost yourself. In this kind of time of the period, you need your immunity system, boost yourself. That's the only way you can recover and you can benefit of your health. Okay. Now, we are going to do neck muscles. Chin to neck, hold it down, breathe out, hold it. Breathe in, lift your head up, feel the neck bone, hold it up. Breathe out, chin to right shoulder, look at side walls. Breathe in, left side, chin to left shoulder. Come to the center, close your eyes, relax, feel it, what you did, how body feels. Now neck rolls 5 times clockwise. Don't stop anywhere, don't go fast. Uniform speed. Down, right, back, left. 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 All the way in and out. Relax, feel it. Now reverse. Down, left, back, right. 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 All the way in and out. Feel it. Now we are going to do it with our eyes. Hold your eyeballs, only your eyeballs, hold it up. The whole face stay in the middle. Only the eyeballs, hold it up. Only your eyeballs, down, hold it down. Only your eyeballs, right side, hold it to the right side. Only your eyeballs, left side. Come to the center, close your eyes, feel it, what you did, how eyes feels. Now eyeballs make circles clockwise 5 times. Don't stop anywhere, don't go fast. Uniform speed. Up, right, down, left. 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 After you finish 5 times, take a break. Now reverse. Up, left, down, right. 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 Take a deep breath, relax, breathe in, breathe out, feel it. Low battery was. Charger. Take a deep breath. Oh yeah, charger kitchen now. Now we are going to do. This is one more boost yourself energy. Hold your both hands shoulder height, not like these claps. Like we intensively 2 minutes. Closed fingers. Hold it and then do the fingers claps. 108 times. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open your hands and then head up. Feel the energy. Take a deep breath. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue breathing. Feel it all the way in and out. Take a deep breath, relax, breathe in, breathe out. Now, we are going to do some warm-up exercises. Both arms up, lift yourself up, bend forward, reach more, breathe in, breathe out. Without lifting your head up, slowly bring both.
Look like their laptop is out. Everybody give us a minute or so. We can bring back them.
So while we are waiting for Ramagaru to come back, can one of us call, please, Malaria?
I'm doing it.
Sure. So while we are waiting for us, a quick recap of takeaway messages are not all stress is negative. Some of the stress is also positive, which will keep us increase our brain processing power. It will increase our.
We lost you, Andy. Okay.
Will increase our mental.
Yeah.
Why we are doing this yoga and meditation now is it will help us calm down our stress. It will make us physically stronger, mentally stronger. And you can all go back and think about maybe last 20 years. And when you performed very well, if you really go back and do your self-reflection, when you're more stressful, that's when you got the best performance out of your life. So stress is not bad, but the key thing here is how do you manage it? How do you not overwhelm yourself? That is important. Give us one more minute while Ramagaru is logging us. And as Sridev Garu suggested, there are a lot of things we can get caught up on. You know, we can listen music, we can do gardening, we can learn something new. Yeah, I think Ramagaru is back, and I'll pass on to her. Ramagaru, are you back online? And also some of the asanas which can help us, Kapalbhati, Simhakriya, Sudarshana Kriya, Pranayam, these are all irrespective of who your instructor is. These are all the things if you start doing it, incorporating them as part of your daily life, it will relax your mind and it will also make you physically fit. And it will avoid a lot of things like, panic attacks, any depressions, all of these it will avoid those.
Ramagar, you're back online, Andy.
Sorry, Andy.
You're back.
Sorry, the technical challenge. Ramagaru is back and I'll let her continue this.
Okay, sorry.
Ramagar, before you start, would you also please tell the asanas name, please, whatever you're doing, so that if anyone is particularly interested on a particular asana, they can go and do more on that.
Okay.
Thank you, Andy.
Yeah. No. Sorry for the trouble. First, we are going to do some warm-ups. So, both arms up, lift yourself up, bend forward, reach more, breathe in, breathe out. Without lifting your head up, slowly bring both arms to the right side. Reach more, breathe in, breathe out. Without lifting your head up, slowly come to the center and then left. Keep the position 3 breathing cycles. Breathe in, breathe out. Come to the center, slowly sit upright. Now change the leg, put it outside, inside, outside. We'll do same thing one more time. Both arms up, lift yourself up, bend forward, reach more. Keep your arms there, slowly bring your head up. Feel the neck bone, feel the backbone. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue breathing, feel it on the in and out. Slowly drop your head down. Both arms to the left side. Keep your arms there. Slowly bring your head up. Take a deep breath. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly drop your head down. Come to the center. And then right side. Keep your arms there. Slowly bring your head up. Slowly drop your head down, come to the center, slowly sit upright. Feel it, what you did, how body feels. Now we are going to do side exercise. Right elbow and butt line. Line up, bend to the right, left arm up, straight up. Look at your hand, spread your fingers out. Make sure left knee, place it down. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly, slowly come back the way you went. Now the other side. Left elbow, place it down. Bend to the left, right arm up. Feel the side part of the body. Make sure right knee, place it down. Look at our hand. Breathe in, breathe out. Slowly come back the way you went. All these are exercises are blood circulation, stretching. All these exercises like different asanas, and then it will help you to do sun salutations. So both legs straight up. Feet up. Only the toes, press it down. Only the toes. Open, all your toes open, relax. One more time. Only the toes, press it down. Open, relax. One ankle in, one ankle out. Press it down, pull it up. Change it. Feel the circulation, feel the blood circulation. One more time, press it down. Change it. Take a deep breath, relax. Now, put it on the top. You are going to do on a right knee in front. Both pointers on the over the head. This is Jai Hanuman. Without standing, left leg straight. Jai Hanuman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take a deep breath, relax. Change it. Left leg, left knee in front. Both pointers over the head. Without standing. Right leg straight. Jai Hanuman. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly bring it down. Come up on all fours. The first one we are going to do is Ganesh, like elephant. The whole body, bring it right and left and make circles. Right shoulder, left hip, right hip. Head also together. All the way. Make circles. 5 times clockwise. This is very, very good. You can do any time, any day. And now reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we are going to do sun salutations. Prayer position. prayer position. Both arms stretched out over the head, touch your ears, gently back bend. Slowly bend forward, touch both feet, both arms, both sides, bend both knees, left knee out, drop the knee. Palms press it down, right leg out, plant. Drop the knees, child pose. Slide into cobra. Down dog, press it down. Bring the left leg in, drop the right knee, look it up. Bring the right leg in, both legs straight, both arms prayer position, head also together. Slowly bring yourself up, gently back bend. Tadasana. Both arms, both sides, close your eyes, take a breath. Other side, prayer position. Both arms stretched out over the head, touch your ears, gently back bend. Slowly bend forward, touch both feet, both arms, both sides, bend both knees, right knee out, drop the knee. Palms press it down, left leg out, plant. Drop the knees, child pose. Slide into cobra. Down dog, press it down. Bring the right leg in, drop the left knee. Bring the left leg in, both legs straight, both arms prayer position, head also together. Slowly bring yourself up, gently back bend. Tadasana. Standing, resting pose. If you do these sun salutations every day 11 times, it's really a total body exercise. The whole body, you feel refreshed. It gives you the relaxation, energy, and blood circulation, stretching. So we can do now deep relaxation. Lay down on our back. Lay down on our back, both arms, both sides, palms facing up. Press to the body. Heels inside, toes outside, mat distance. Close your eyes. Relax the whole body. Relax your toes. Relax your ankles. Relax your calf muscles. Relax your knees. Relax your thighs. Relax the whole right leg. Relax your whole left leg. Relax your fingers. Relax your wrist. Relax your elbows. Relax your shoulders. Relax your right hand. Relax your left hand. Relax your forehead. Relax your eyes. Relax your nose. Relax your teeth. Relax your tongue. Relax your chin. Relax your ears. Relax your whole face. Relax your heartbeat. Relax your tummy. Relax your belly. Relax your neck muscles. Relax your upper back. Relax your lower back. Relax your whole body. Stay in that deep relaxation. Stay in that position. Slowly beware your body. Turn right and left. Sit upright, keep your back straight, close your eyes, open your chest. Sit Sukhasana or Vajrasana. We will say 3 times Om. You can say with me. Breathe in and then start. Prayer position, bow your head. Thank you. Namaste. Good job.
Thank you very much, Rama Garu, for teaching our community members simple yoga warm-up exercises, breathing exercises, meditation exercises, and deep relaxation. I don't know how you did it. It's not easy while doing and talking and teaching this at the same time. Hats off to you for doing this. On behalf of NATS, I would like to thank you once again for doing this, and all the community members. I want to let you know that Rama Garu has a website, jaiganeshyogastudio.com, and she conducts online classes for kids, elderly parents, prenatal, and she also offers free online meditation classes. jaiganeshyogastudio.com, or her number is 973-339-3222. Once again, her number is 973-339-3222. With this, we will conclude our webinar. Once again, on behalf of NATS, thank you, Rama Jonnalagada Garu and Dr. Sridev Garu, for educating our community. And thanks to all the participants and NATS members who made this happen: Srinivas Malladi, Rajesh Kandru, Sudhir Mikkalneni, Vishnu Veerapneni, Prasad Arikatla, Murli Medcherla Garu, and all the senior leadership team, Chairman Sridhar Apsani Garu, Board NATS Vice Chairwoman Arna Ganti Garu, NATS President Srinivas Manchikalpodi Garu, immediate Chairman Srinivas Kutkonda Garu, and Dr. Madhukorpati Garu. Next week, we are also conducting one more important webinar. It is how COVID is affecting the admissions in colleges, and how can the children prepare for admissions, by Robert Levine. We will send you that meeting invite on that. And also, all the prior webinars are available at natsworld.org/webinars. And if you come across anyone who needs any help, please have them reach out to helpline@natsworld.org or 732-444-2121. With this, I conclude the webinar. Thank you everyone once again, and have a good rest of the weekend.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.